Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, I have written down on the board. We shall talk about has and have, and what is the difference between these two and where these two forms are used. Many of the people in today's world are confused about the use of has and have. They do not know where to use has and where to use have. So in the video, we are going to crack down where these two terms are used. So let's dig in. Actually, has and have, they both belong to present perfect tense. When you talk about present perfect tense, it belongs to the completion of work. The complete task is being given in this tense, or the completion of work is given in the tense. So here we have the two main verbs of this tense, has and have. First of all, has is being used with singular noun, with the name of a single person, with the name of a single thing, or with the name of a single emotion, or anything that comes in the category of singular noun. So we use has in singular form, and he, she, it. These are the pronouns with which we use has. Uh, and if we talk about have is being used with plural noun or with the pronouns such as I, we, you, and they. With all these pronouns and the plural noun, we use have. With both has and have, we use third form of the verb, as you can see in the circle. So now let's apply this knowledge on our quiz or on our exercise that we have here. First of all, the first sentence that we have is he dashed to work, and then we have go. Go is the first form of the verb which denotes that we are to utilize this form, but according to the sentence. He blank to work. Now, as we know that he comes with a has. So the answer is going to be he has gone to work. Go will be changed into gone. That is the third form of go. So the answer is he has gone to work. He has gone to work. In the next sentence, we have dash you been there. So you belongs to this category. So here we are going to use have. Have you been there? The next sentence that we have is Salman blank made a mistake. Salman is a noun, and Salman is a singular person. That is why it is called a singular noun. So when you talk about a singular noun, you use has. Salman has. Salman has made a mistake. The next sentence we have she dash or she blank arrived late. She also belongs to this category. So we shall use has for this sentence. The answer is going to be she has arrived late. In the last, we have the sentence that is he blank not yet blank his task. Here, an important thing is yet. Yet is being used with present perfect tense when you talk about the negatives or you talk about the negative things in the sentence. So here we have another sentence that belongs to present perfect tense, and here we have he. He, as you know, belongs to this category, and we shall use has with he. He has not yet completed his task. So the answer is he has not yet completed his task. This was the right answer. I hope that you have understood the difference between has and have, and you know very well how to apply this knowledge on the quiz or on many other things practically. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.